In this lesson, we're going to learn two exceptions to some of the features we've already learned. The first one to be found in the text on page 41, rhythm coaching. On some gospel hymn styles, we find that the arranger has put a little echo parts in the lower voices, alto, tenor, or bass, or in any combination. We find an illustration of this in the popular Easter hymn, Christ Arose. We find in the refrain, on this long chord, that while the melody is holding, the tenor and the bass are given this little part here, Christ, or He arose. They will repeat that while the soprano and alto are holding their tones on rose. We notice it again down in the next score. We find it down twice in the bottom score. Now, since the arranger felt those rather important, we will try to reinforce those parts, and the way we do it is by playing in those rhythms, repeating the inner notes in the rhythm of those little echoing parts. So we play that. That's rhythm coaching. Coach. You'll find that in many different gospel songs. Another exceptional feature is found in the verse of this hymn, and we call it Simple Rhythm Style. Now this one is a style that fits hymns that are more introspective, graver, slower. In this hymn, we certainly know that the verse part is rarely sung, but in a very sedate style. So we don't want a strong rhythm pattern added. What we will do, we will play the full octave chords, but not in the higher octave as we learned. We will play in the lower octaves, and the left hand will not play a rhythm bass. It will play just octaves on the bass as given. One added feature will be that on the melody notes that are longer than a full beat, in this case, and all of the half notes, we will add an octave high interval on those second beats. Raising your right hand an octave high and duplicating the chord with the left hand. Be this way. Chord high, chord high, chord high, chord high, chord high, chord, chord, chord. We chord on each successive beat of the longer value notes. That's what we call simple cathedral style.